zero order reaction, then the power is, that means the power is 0. Means a reaction is said to be zero order if its rate is entirely independent of the concentration of the reactant. એટલે કે રિએક્ટન્ટના કોન્સન્ટ્રેશનથી એને કંઈ બી શું કહેવાય, કંઈ બી લેવા દેવા નથી, રાઈટ. તો એવા રિએક્શન શું કહી શકશું આપણે? ઝીરો ઓર્ડર રિએક્શન. ફોર એક્ઝામ્પલ લઈએ તો કે photochemical reaction and enzymical reaction are the zero order reaction. Now consider a following reaction. A reactant gives a product, right? So હવે એનું ઇનિશિયલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન આપણે સપોઝ એ ધારી લઈએ તો ઇનિશિયલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન એનું કેટલું છે તો કે એ છે. આ ઇનિશિયલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન એ અને પ્રોડક્ટ 0 મળે, રાઈટ. કોઈ બી રિએક્શન થાય ત્યારે ઇનિશિયલ હોય ત્યારે એ શું હોય? 0 હોય, અને પ્રોડક્ટ બી 0 હોય, રાઈટ. અને ફાઇનલ કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન આપણે લઈએ તો કે A - X, ત્યારે પ્રોડક્ટ શું હશે? X હશે, બરાબર. તો હવે આપણે આનો રેટ ઓફ રિએક્શન લખવું હોય તો શું લખી શકાય? તો કે dx/dt is equal to K0. Why 0? Because it is called zero order reaction. Concentration of A raised to 0, where K0 is the rate constant of zero order reaction. So now dx/dt is equal to K0, A minus X0 is equal to K0. So dx is equal to K0 dot dt. Now we apply integration. So we get dx is equal to K0 integration dt. So integration दूर करवा माटे constant મૂકવો પડશે. So x is equal to K0t plus c, where c is the integration constant. Now when t is equal to 0, right, t is equal to 0 time x is equal to 0. હવે t is equal to આપણે અહીંયા 0 મૂકીએ અને x is equal to also 0 મૂકીએ તો શું આવશે? when we get c is equal to also 0, right. So x is equal to K0t. So K0 ના સૂત્રનો કરતા બનાવીએ so શું થશે? x/t. So this reaction proceed with a constant velocity and there is a no change in the concentration of the reactant with time. So characteristic of zero order reaction. So first unit શું હશે તો કે unit of rate constant zero order reaction is mole liter inverse time inverse and half life period આપણે જોઈએ તો જોઈએ K0 is equal to x/t when t બરાબર શું લેવાનું તો કે 1/2 હાફ લાઈફ ટાઈમ પીરિયડ જોઈએ છે એટલે શું લેવાનું 1/2 અને x is equal to a/2. હવે આ વેલ્યુ put in a K0. So t 1/2 is equal to a upon 2K0. So t 1/2 proportional to a. So the half life period proportional to initial concentration. So 1/2 is proportional to initial concentration of the reactant. For example આપણે લઈએ તો કે reaction between hydrogen and chlorine in the presence of sunlight to form a hydrochloric acid, where H2 plus Cl2 it gives in a sunlight HV, so it gives 2HCl. Now first order reaction characteristic and half life period. When it is called first order reaction, the power is 1 and reaction is said to be first order if the rate of the reaction depends upon concentration terms only, right. For a first order reaction is such in which a concentration of only one reactant change. So આપણે suppose consider કરીએ reaction A, it gives product. So initial concentration A, product no 0, right. After reaction to A minus X and X. Suppose the initial concentration of A is a gram moles per liter in a time, and X gram of mole of A decomposed to form a product. Therefore the concentration of A after time will be A minus X according to the law of mass, as you know. So rate of reaction is proportional to A minus X. So શું થશે? dx/dt proportional a minus x. હવે proportionality constant દૂર કરવા માટે we put a k. So k is a constant called a rate constant or velocity constant. So dx upon a minus s equal to k dt. હવે now integration લઈએ એટલે આપણને શું મળશે? minus ln a minus x is equal to kt plus c, where c is the integration constant. The value of c is determined from the initial condition. હવે એક કંડિશન આપણે પુટ કરીએ તો કે t બરાબર 0 અને x બરાબર 0. અહીંયા t બરાબર 0 મૂકવાનું અને x બરાબર 0 મૂકવાનું, તો આપણને શું મળશે? minus ln a minus 0 is equal to k into 0 plus c, right? તો શું મળશે? c is equal to minus ln a. Substituting the value of c in equilibrium equation 3, and we get minus ln a minus x is equal to kt minus ln a. So ln દૂર કરવા માટે શું મૂકશું આપણે? k is equal to 2.303 divided by t log a upon a minus x. So this is the expression of rate constant of first order reaction. The characteristic of first order reaction. The unit of velocity constant k is determined as a follow. So k is equal to 1 by t log a upon a minus x. So 1 t નું શું થાય? time. a એટલે concentration છે, mole per liter, moles per liter. So unit શું આવશે? તો unit of k is first order reaction is only time inverse. If time is expressed in hour, minute and second, then k will be hours inverse, minute inverse or second inverse respectively. Now half-life period. The time required to decrease the concentration of reactant of half its initial value. In other words, half-life is the time required for one half of the reaction to be completed. So k is equal to 2.303 divided by t log a upon a minus x. Now સૂત્રનો કરતાં આપણે t બનાવીએ તો 2.303 divided by k log a upon x. When half of the reaction is completed, ત્યારે આપણે સપોઝ ધારી લઈએ x બરાબર 1/2 લઈએ અને t બરાબર 1/2 in the time taken. So t 1/2 is equal to શું મળશે આપણને? This one, 0.693 divided by k. So it is clear from the equation that half-life for first order reaction is independent upon initial concentration, and it is inversely proportional to k. By rearrangement કરીએ equation તો શું મળશે? log 10 a minus s equal to minus kt divided by 2.303 plus log a. Now we draw a graph according to y is equal to mx plus c, and we get this type of graph. Here we take log a minus x, here we take, and this is a straight line, and slope is minus k upon 2.303.